Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Uh, so today, kind of a consolidation into the markets, as expected. Nifty kind of a week. So let's see what happened on the charts, and then maybe we can look into. So Nifty, if you see inside bar hammer. So yesterday's low is well protected till now, and we are still, uh, kind of a inside bar with an hammer candle, so kind of a consolidation you can definitely say. And if you see from a market profile standpoint, I think it was a very what you can say, boring day, not much trended day or something that happened. So the move that came into this, this is because of the bank nifty. This move is because of the bank nifty emotional selling. So maybe I'll show you once we discuss the bank nifty. But today somehow the software is not showing the correct data for nifty. If you see yesterday's big red candle is not able, I'm not able to see on the charts. So I think some issue with my software or the data that I'm getting from NSC. So I think some issue. And same if you see from a order flow point of view, I think I can't analyze much because if you see the high today, that order flow is showing, it is 17,830 or 34, where in actual the high was 17,780 only. So I think there is an issue with overall nifty data. So sorry for that, we can't do a much analysis on that. But if I just tell you from a what you can say, from that the candlestick point of view, it's an inside bar and kind of a consolidation that is gonna happening. We are still in the bullish territory, so no need to worry much, from a from the nifty standpoint. We are still into the bullish territory. Okay, so let's look at what happened in the bank nifty. So bank nifty, very small range trade today, again an inside bar like what yesterday happened. So we are into a bullish zone only, and I think we are into a consolidation mode also in the bank nifty. So let's see what happened into bank nifty. So bank nifty, we opened and we were doing kind of a business on this area, in the still morning. If I show you the volume till morning, kind of a positive, and we had a positive opening as well. So we were having 2000 contracts positive till this candle. Okay, till H candle, which is till this time we were in a positive territory. Okay, till this was a positive territory. Okay, and then what happened is we saw an emotional selling in the market. So the concept I always say, whenever this axis, this POC line, this white line doesn't change, even if you market falls, it's a the emotional selling. And if you see, we got a good move into the emotional selling into the markets, but then market recovered, okay, after that. So was a kind of a emotional selling day, at this place. So if I show you from a order flow point of view, so we were 3000 plus, and then we were just went into the minus, minus 2000 contracts. And I think if I see, so there was no big player present today. All the contracts were around 300, 400 range. So we haven't seen anybody with 1000 contracts or 1200 contracts coming into the market. And then at the end of the day, we just went into a sideways after the consolidation into the bank nifty, after the emotional selling into the bank nifty. So from our analysis point of view, we are still into a bullish territory. I think the low of this candle, today's candle, is important, the low and the high. Definitely if high crosses, we have the next targets coming in here. And if the low crosses, then maybe we will retest the hammer low that was there, onto the cards. But right now markets are into a consolidation mode, so nothing much we can discuss, or we can say. So tomorrow, until unless we see the volumes are going up above 5000, 6000, there is no trade that we can see into the markets. So we will be on the sideways only. HDFC Bank, again the data is not correct, but if you see, the selling is emotional selling, so it's not the real selling. Okay, and now this level for this stock really, is very important. So until unless this is crossed, we can't go, upside into the HDFC Bank. So let me mark that level. Yeah, so this is the level we need to track for in the coming days. HDFC, if you see same pattern, same way, we had a fall, and HDFC again we have a single print support at nearby. So yeah, we'll see. ICICI Bank, not emotional selling. If you see, we were going down, but I think this is for today. Yes, and if you see ICICI Bank, we see huge volumes built up into this area, so which is an important to look for. Then here we also had a selling, but we closed near to this. So this normally, have a gap up, kind of a gap possibility of the gap up. Um, SBIN again we went down, but now we went near to POC. So high chances that we will gap up on the SBI. Okay, and it took support near to SP that was created this time. Bajaj Finance again a emotional selling. If you see this is not moving, so I think all the stocks or most of the stocks have the emotional selling today. At least banking space, all are the emotional sellers. So there is not much selling into the markets. It is all emotionally sold by the weak players, not by the institution or the big players. That's what we can infer from today. And also we see much into the it is into the banking stock. So I think the level important now to go bullish on the on the bank nifty is this one, which is around 42 or 450. If we sustain above this level, then maybe we can again resume our bullish trend. So right now it is bullish itself, but it's into consolidation mode. But if we sustain now above this and starts going up, definitely we will continue with the bullish trend. Okay, so till now no signs of weakness in the markets. We are still uh, looking for the higher levels, so we'll see what happens. Right now in not in trades, because no nowhere we are having a trade. So until and unless we see that we are crossing these levels into the markets, we are into the sideways. Okay, so that's for it for today. We will see what happens tomorrow. So when the markets are volatile and not confirmation, it's basically important that you should be away from the markets. When you know that perfect patterns are working, and you are the market is respecting the levels, then you should be into the trade with a good quantity. So if you do that, and if you can get out of that FOMO of taking the trades, you can definitely do good into the markets. So that's the little advice from my side. So before closing, we have an disclaimer. So whatever views shared here are only for educational purpose. Please do not take any trade or investment decision based on the views shared. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade or investment decision. We are not responsible for any loss or due to content in the video. So I hope you will have a great trading day tomorrow. We will see what happens tomorrow in the market. And as I always say, be passionate about the markets, learn about the markets. That will really help you in a longer run. So thanks guys for watching. Have a good time. Bye bye.